In the first option, we talked about joining a meeting from inside the Teams. Now we're going to go back out to Outlook, double click an Outlook invite, and we're going to join this meeting from inside of Outlook. And all we need to do is click on the link that says, click here to join the meeting. We'll redirect through the internet and will allow you to join the meeting. We're back at that lobby area, and I'm just going to go join now. Now we're going to talk about recording. It's actually very straightforward in Teams. Remember that all recording has to follow all the privacy and security rules and regulations for Interior Health. To turn on recording in your meeting, go to your More Options button and go down here to Start Recording. It takes a second or two because it has to talk to the system. And then what it also is going to do is going to notify everybody in the meeting that we've turned on recording. As we can see, you're recording. Okay, be sure to let everybody know. And then I can click Dismiss on this screen. All my participants in the meeting get a similar meeting prompt about recording. The meeting will carry on being recorded. I can see the red dot up in the left-hand corner, and everybody else on their screen will also see that red dot. When you've decided that you've shared enough of your recording or time, you would go back and go onto the same menu, and you're going to now do the opposite, which is stop your recording. And again, you get a prompt, are you sure you want to stop it? And we say, yes, we're going to stop it. Now it tells me the recording is being saved, and I'm going to also select Dismiss. I'm going to end my meeting and then go and show you where it shows up in your meeting chat. And we're going to end the meeting. Once your meeting recording has finished processing, it will appear as a thumbnail in the chat the meeting took place in. So we can tell under my chat menu, and you can see this one with a calendar icon is the chat that went with the meeting. So inside here is the actual recording. If you want to watch it, you can click on it and it will launch and you can watch the recorded meeting. You can share the recording with people that were not able to attend. There are several ways that you can share it. I'm going to close the recording and we go back to here. Go into the More Options and pick the ways that you want. So you can open it in Microsoft Stream, which opens the recording in a browser. You can share just by a link, and that lets you change the permissions for the meeting, allowing more people to access it. You can get a link, which copies a link and puts it on your clipboard, and then you can email that out. One of the advantages of persistent meeting chat is that anybody that was in the original meeting invite for this meeting will have access to this recording without having to do anything because they were already on this chat.